Hey, what's up, beautiful people? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Onyinyechi. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. So guys, today we'll be creating a wedding invitation card. Stay tuned as we dive into the video. We are using Canva for this. So you go to your home page in Canva, you type in where there is research, you type in wedding invitation card, or you type in invitation card. You're going to see the things there, and then you choose the blank one and import it here. So once you import it, you go to your element and look for a flower or leaf of your choice. So that is what I did here, guys. I'm really sorry I didn't video that place. So yeah, but the next video I'm going to make it from the beginning to the end. I'm really sorry about that. So you import it here, and then I added the flower and started duplicating them, to make it look more and beautiful. So I'm basically going to and this is it. I'm currently using free features in Canva. So you go to your element, you type in square, and look for the one that's going to look like how wedding invitation looks like. This one that I'm currently using here does not really match, so delete it and import a new one. So I was thinking it was going to do the work for me, but nah. Let's import the one that's going to suit what we want, going to give us that wedding card vibe. Guys, please do make sure you use Canva Pro, because in Canva Pro you have a lot of interesting features there. But guys, I haven't subscribed yet. I think I said that in my last video. So let's currently be using the free ones. So here I've imported the one that suits what I want. So we're going to make it bigger and put it in the right position where it's supposed to be, or where it's going to look more professional. So let's duplicate it. Here I've duplicated it. So I'm going to turn the second one, making the other edge to be on the middle of the back one, so it can give that wedding card vibe. I keep on saying wedding card vibe. So yeah, that's actually what I want to achieve here. So guys, I ended up turning the two of them so they can align together. Now we need to import text. So I'm just going to change what is written there and put in the name of the couples I'll be wedding. But this is actually not the name of the people that is wedding. I just added up. So you know what you want to add in the wedding card. And I added the venue, the dates. Guys, I'm really sorry I added 2012 instead of 2022. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that. But yeah, we'll go what we wanted, right? We're going to import a paint sort of thing there, so you can look. Yeah, this is it. I already imported it, and oh my god, this is looking beautiful already. So I just reduced the transparency so that it wouldn't be that much, and then I moved it back to the text, the two squares, so that you can stay on its own, like at the back where it's supposed to be. So guys, yeah, we're done with this, and look how beautiful it's looking already. Yeah, thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can always get more beautiful designs with just your phone.